tuli ya mangana yobo kinyomba
mangana yobo kinyomba
batondo ngolera bale buguche watu
haya ate bana batondo nabaguche nabo bagambire mono
yes
ota 92 because you are koruso sosera ere nyamasi oyu bukinyomba mbora guntune tokoro kuna kamba 8 totaragamba for 50 years
yes
lakini mbwate tabauti njira ngo approach ibintu none kero na achete ubu MCA bukinyomba mbware ngo sana
oh yes
I made sure I've united my people so abantu banyali ba let them not be worried umutondo kamba 8 umuguche we will have a discussion it's about leadership of transformation and inclusivity and I'm ready to over that
all right
we will sit down and agree
yes
ekero mbwate goodwill across the constituency it means ningito bokenyomba and it will be one of the the first time chikula jira kuna under across the constituency without looking bokenyombo I know abantu bange mbate na nini tingo tenange kurandi na njeno mukamba 8 bono njendete mwake njeno munyali bali ekero ngoje ko muchumbe tini ko muchumbo kamba 8
so ngane iganga gose butondo buguche
I don't have it in my heart ntazunguka constituency yote ningende susu ase tugata baguche nabaguria nintale nyamazibi ntugata kamba 8 ororo tukatwara nabatondo ningende ichu ninkambe nabatondo baminto because njeno muchumbo uteta ko muchumbo nyali bali masaba and tutamaliza hiyo mambo ya clansism